BakeSmart has extensive reporting capabilities, and sending automatic reports is a feature that will elevate communication and access to important data for your entire team. To create an automatic report, you will go to the Reports tab, and then you're going to click on the report that you would like to send. From here, we're sending our ordered item reports, and we're going to set this up to send to our packer every morning, a half hour before she starts her shift. And from here, we're going to go to Send to Inbox. This will populate a screen where you can go ahead and let BakeSmart know who you want this to send to and what frequency. So you can go ahead and change the name of the report if you'd like here. We're going to leave it what it is. And then we're going to say we want this to send repeating. If you wanted to send a one-time report, you can do that from the screen as well. But this is going to happen repeatedly. And then we're going to send this in a PDF format because our packer doesn't need to edit anything in the report. They just need to see the data. And then we're going to save it to BakeSmart Inbox. And that's because our packer doesn't have access to a company email that they use every day, but they do access BakeSmart every day when they log in and use it to pull their own reports. But, just to make their life easier, they can come in every day and this report will be sitting in their inbox ready to rock and roll. So we're going to say BakeSmart Inbox, and then we're going to go ahead and choose which employee we'd like to send it to. Tweety Bird is our packer, and we're going to actually send it to her partner, which is Tinkerbell. You can add as many recipients as you would like here. And then we're going to ask this to send daily. Our choices are daily, weekly, or monthly, but we're going to send it daily. And we're going to start this as soon as possible, which will be tomorrow morning. And we're again going to have this send at 6 a.m., which is a half hour before this person starts. And that's simply so that all online orders and everything will be included in this report on a daily basis. Then I'll hit done, and it's just letting me know that the report request has been accepted by BakeSmart. So I hit OK. Now, in order to see which reports you have set up to automatically send and run, you're going to go to Reports, Manage Save Reports, and then you're going to go to Automatic. And here you'll see that this is the report that we just created. If you click these three dots in this box, it's going to go ahead and show you the criteria of the report that you're running and sending. And then if I wanted to edit this report and say, oh, we need to add a recipient, or Tweety Bird doesn't need this, only Tinkerbell does, or if I wanted, again, to edit any of the criteria, I can do that here. But we're going to hit done because we don't want to edit anything. And then if I wanted to run this or delete this report, force run it right now or delete it, I'm going to go ahead and tag it and then hit action. And now I can either force run it right now or I can delete the report, delete just the automatic report. I'm not going to go and do any of that. I'm just going to get out of here. And now, in order for your employee or user to find this, they're going to go to the menu button. They're going to go to Inbox here. And then if I was logged in as Tinkerbell or Tweety Bird and it was 6 a.m. tomorrow, you would see a link right here to the report that they need access to. And that's how you set up automatic reports in BakeSmart.